Right, given this question in AP Calculus test, they give us this graph where two curves intersected in a point, and they tell you the area of the shaded region in the diagram above is equivalent to what? They don't want you to evaluate the area, but they want you to form the equation of the area, the integral. So essentially, it will be, I need to keep this in your mind, it will be integration of f of 2, f2 minus f1 of x. What's f2 and what's f1 with respect to x from A to B? What's f2 and what's f1? f2 is the farther curve. Look at x-axis. This is x-axis. The farthest curve is this one, which is the square root of x. And then the one under it, look at this, the one under it is x squared minus x squared. And it's going to be from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1 with respect to x. So I think, and I believe that the answer is C. It's square root of x minus x squared. They confuse you here. I'll give you different forms. The answer is C right away. It doesn't take time with you to respond to this question. Okay, another question here. Find the limit of 5x squared plus 7x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3x minus 11x squared. I will teach you something very quick to respond. First, you locate where is the maximum exponent in numerator and maximum exponent in denominator, whatever the position. Sometimes they make this in here, they start with that. Sometimes they change the order, so it doesn't matter. And when you see that, right away, if you see that both of them are the same, you have the same power, this is x to the second, this is x to the second, and maximum, or x to the third, or x to the fourth, right away, you look at 5, the coefficient here, divided by the coefficient over here with its sign. So it will be negative 5 over 11, or it's 5 over 11 with the negative sign. The answer is B. Now, explaining that, as you know, if they ask you to show like detail when you have not multiple choice but free response question, what you could do is you type the function 5x squared plus 7x, and I'll make it very quick for you, divided by 2 plus 3x minus 11x squared. So what we could do here is we divide all terms by the maximum exponent. Divide here by x squared, divide by x squared, divide this term by x squared, divide by x squared, divide by x squared, divide by x squared. That's the limit when x approaches infinity. So what you could see here that we eliminate x squared with x squared, so 5 left. And we eliminate x squared with x squared, so negative 11 left. What about the others? Okay. So it will be the limit when x approaches infinity. Okay, and here's 5 plus 7, and cancel x with x will be over x, minus 3 over x squared over 2 over x squared plus 3, and cancel x with x will be 3 over x, minus cancel x squared with x squared, just negative 11 left. Now it's time to plug it in infinity. So when you plug it in infinity, stop writing limit again. So it will be 5, the result will be 5 plus 7 over infinity minus 3 over infinity. Square is still infinity over 2 over infinity square, still infinity, plus 3 over infinity minus 11. Now, any number you divide it by infinity, it will be 0. Any number you divide it by infinity, it will be 0. If you divide an apple divided by 2, it will be half each one. If you divide it by 4, it will be a quarter each one. If you divide an apple over 10 persons, then it will be 1 over 10 to each one. If you divide it by 100, it will be a little bit, 1 over 100, 100 piece, 1 over 100 piece to each person. Assume that you divide it over infinity. This little piece will disappear. It will be 0. That's theorem. So any number divided by infinity will be 0. So 5 plus 0 minus 0 is still 5 over 0 plus 0 is 0 minus 11 is negative 11. So the answer is B.